Happy Republic Day, India. Hello everyone, myself Shanaz and I welcome you all to my wonderful world of education system that is MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. On this great day, 26 January, Republic Day, all my lovely MTC kids, they want to give some loving, memorable and heart-touching message to all the Indians. Let's see what they want to say. Okay? So from where we'll start? We'll start from here. Mokshita. Hi Mokshita.
Hi teacher.
You're looking very pretty, Mokshita. You're looking very nice. Say thank you, teacher.
Thank you teacher.
Okay. So what is your message for Republic Day, Mokshita?
Always speak, never tell, always speak,
Truth.
always speak truth, never tell lies and be happy. Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind.
Okay, very nice. Please sit. Claps for her. She was Mokshita of 2nd standard. So she wants to say that always speak truth. See, this applies for everyone. Okay, whatever is your religion, whatever is your post, whichever country you belong to, always speak truth. That is the best solution to avoid fights. Okay, always speak truth and never tell lies. That is the best solution to avoid all the fights and confusions. Yes? Fine, good. Hi Anshuman.
Hi teacher.
Okay, what is your message for India today?
Let's all together
Build.
build strong nation, future for our nation. Jai Hind. Happy Republic Day.
Okay, please sit. Claps for him. So what he wants to say that together, let's all together build a strong nation. Okay, let's all together build a strong future for our nation. Okay, hi Lasya.
Hi teacher.
Okay, what is your message for India?
Unity is strength and is stopped and live.
That's okay. That's okay. So you just want to say that unity is strength. That's it? Is your message? Okay, please be seated. So Lasya wants to say that unity is strength. Yes, recently we have done one lesson, peace and harmony. You remember? Yes, so what is the moral of the story? Unity is strength. United we stand and divided we fall. Okay, so it is almost impossible for a person to hunt us when we are united, and it becomes very easy. We may become an easy prey for any enemy of ours if we are divided. Okay, so always live unitedly. Unity is strength. United we stand and divided we fall. Okay, it's easy to break us when we are separated and almost impossible to break us when we are united. Okay, good. Okay, hi Akshita.
Hi teacher.
What is your message for all the Indians today?
Forget everything and just remember that we are Indians. Happy Republic Day, Jai Hind.
Okay, very good. Very good message. Claps for Akshita. Okay, she just wants to say that she gave a very simple message. She gave a very simple and beautiful message that forget everything. Forget everything. Keep your caste, religion, everything aside and just remember that we are Indians, basically. Okay? And live happily. Good message. Hi Manohar.
Hi teacher.
What is your message for all the Indians today?
Forget that you are Muslim or Hindu or Christian.
Then what I should remember? Then you should remember that we all are Indians. Yes.
Forget.
That's finished. Then
Happy Republic Day. Jai
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Okay, please be seated. So what Manohar wants to say is, forget that you are a Hindu, you are a Muslim, you are a Christian or Sikh or any other religion, whatever you belong to. Okay, forget that. Just remember that you are an Indian. Just remember that you are an Indian firstly and lastly. Okay, fine. That is what is more important. Okay, what I say, which is the biggest religion? Humanity. Humanity is the biggest religion. Okay, just remember that. Yes. Hi Lokesh. What is your message for India today?
India is the best nation under the country,
Under the sun.
under the sun.
When you are living in a best nation, obviously you are proud of it. Yes? Okay. It's fine. So what he wants to say is India is the best nation and we are proud that we are born in this great country. Yes? Yes or no? And we are lucky. We are proud. And you should feel proud that we are Indian. Okay? Fine. Hi Prabhakar.
Hi teacher.
Okay. So what is your message for India today?
అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. అందరూ గొడవ పడకుండా ఉండండి. పడితే మన దేశాన్ని నెంబర్ వన్ దేశముగా చేయలేము. అందరూ గొడవలు పడకుండా ఉంటే మన దేశాన్ని నెంబర్ వన్ దేశముగా చేయగలము. స్వతంత్ర దినోత్సవం శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Okay, very nice. Please clap for him. Okay. So what he wants to say is don't fight. Yes, I observe that most of the students, they are giving the basic messages that don't fight. Don't fight on religious basis or on any other topic. Live together happily. Yes, that is your basic message. Okay, hi Mukesh.
Hi teacher.
Okay, what is your message for India today?
Be proud you are an Indian because you lucky.
Yes, we are lucky to born in this country.
You born in this country. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
Okay.
Teacher, I will tell one thing to you.
Yes, what do you want to say?
East or West, India is the best.
Okay, yes, east or west, India is the best. Hi Ash,
Hi teacher.
what is your message for India today?
On this Republic Day, let's take an oath to protect the dignity of our nation. Jai Hind. Happy Republic Day.
Oh, very nice. Please clap for him. So he wants to say that let's all together take an oath. हम सब शपथ लें कि हम अपने भारत माता की जय हिंद नहीं, भारत माता की ये we protect the dignity of our country. Okay, fine. See kids, we are free now. We have freedom. We are living in a free country. Yes or no? Do you think this freedom came free of cost? Was this freedom that we are living in today is free of cost? No, right? The freedom that we got was very expensive. The freedom of India was or I can say extremely expensive. It took many decades. It took a lot of sweat, blood and sacrifices of the freedom fighters. So respect your freedom. Respect your freedom. Don't misuse it. Don't misuse it. And let's all together live happily. Okay, live and let others live. Yes, don't have a fighting mind. Don't have a jackal mind. Have a peaceful mind. Okay, live peacefully and let others also live peacefully. Okay, don't have a cunning mind. Okay, don't think of deceiving others. Never tell lies. Always speak truth. Okay, try always to stop the fights, not to create the fights. Be a reason of stopping the fights. Okay, not creating fights. Did you all understand? And if anybody tries to poison your mind, then what you will do? You'll close the door. Okay, and say no, sorry baba, I don't have time. I don't have time for all this rubbish. Okay, fine. So all those who are watching, if you like and love the message of all my lovely kids, then please
Like, share, and subscribe. Our MTC-Mustafa Tuition Center. Thanks for watching.
yes, and our three girls here, Lasya, Mokshita and Akshita. Three of you are looking very pretty today. Very nice. Beautifully dressed. Okay. Thanks for watching.